Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Monday Morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, stock index futures and commodities are currently trading slightly above fair value. So far, it looks like the market wants to do some buying on Monday morning. On Friday, we had the Fed chairman speak, and the market had a very positive reaction to his comments. This morning, we have durable good orders coming out at 8:30 this morning. They could certainly help change the direction of the market. Starting off with the VIX is still on a sell signal. That's supportive for higher stock prices. A close above 1912 on Monday would change things for the VIX. Looking at cryptos, we have Bitcoin on a buy signal as of Wednesday's close. We saw fall through to the upside on Friday, and we now have Ethereum back on a buy signal as of Friday's close. Looking at the world of currencies, US dollar index continued to move lower. The euro continued to move higher. That is supportive for higher stock market prices. No change in the bond market on Friday. Inside day for the 30-year bond. Bond yields still on a sell signal. No change there. No change in the world of commodities. We saw money come back into crude oil and gasoline on Friday. No change for natural gas. No change in trend for the energy sector. Then we've got the metals all moving higher on Friday. We saw gold, palladium, platinum, and silver all close higher on Friday. Looking at the major stock market ETFs, starting off with the iShares for the TSX 60, they moved up and made a new high on Friday. No joy for the SPY. Inside day closed higher on the day, still dealing with 562.50. We saw the equal-weighted SPY make a new high on Friday. No joy for the triple Qs. They had an inside day on Friday, so did the equal-weighted NASDAQ 100, while the next generation NASDAQ 100 continued to move higher on Friday. We saw money come back into the mid-caps, small-caps, and micro-caps, all moving sharply higher on Friday. We also saw the financial sector move higher. This time, banks and the regional banks participated. They had big up days on Friday. We also saw the broker-dealers and insurance companies continue to move up on Friday. Now, looking at Canadian financials, they also had a nice big up day, up over 1% on Friday. Looking at the most actives, just a couple of trend changes from Friday's trading action. We had a nice big up day for Manulife on Friday. No change there. No change for Suncor, still on a sell signal. There's a new high for this move for Great-West. Canadian Natural Resources still on a buy signal, no trend change there. Nothing new for Enbridge. It's still on a buy signal here, trying to fill that open gap. We've got Denison Mines back on a buy signal as of Friday's close. No change in trend for TD Bank, having a wild couple of days there. TC Energy still on a buy signal, no change. We've got Baytech back on a buy signal as of Friday's close. And then we saw the Royal Bank make a new high on Friday. Looking at the U.S. most actives, no trend changes here. Inside day for NVIDIA, inside day for Tesla. So not affected that much by interest rates at the moment. Peloton making a new high on Friday. No change in trend for Intel, still on a sell signal. That would change on Monday with a close above $21.36. Not something I would take. Lucid moving back up to the previous highs on Friday. We saw Open Door Technologies continuing to move higher. We saw Ford continuing to move higher on Friday. SoFi, a new closing high for this particular move. Marathon moved up with Bitcoin on Friday, so trading in sync with the cryptocurrency. And then last up, Bank of America still on a buy signal here. New high for this move, and starting to break out, but not closing above the recent high. So that is still acting as a magnet. Okay, folks, that is all for Monday morning's presentation. No major trend changes from Friday's trading action. A lot of the other areas of the market that have not seen a lot of love recently moved up on Friday. And we saw the financials do fairly well off the sign that the Fed is going to lower interest rates in the not-so-distant future. Enjoy the rest of your day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Tuesday morning.